Here's how to make your own blood splatter texture inside Unreal, procedurally by using the texture graph. Make sure you have the texture graph plugged in turned on. It's from Unreal 5.4 and up. Then, create a texture graph, and inside is where the magic happens. Main splatter is a combination of two simplex noise and a shape. Went with triangle to give the splatter a better angle. Then, to break the obvious triangle-shaped form, took away parts of it with the handy use of some more noise, blending it here, and finally parsing it through a final levels node for the general shape. On the other end, breaking the pattern even more with more noise, also giving some subtle wet edge with edge detect. Everything combines into one, and before I call it done, I rotate it slightly so it matches the angle I would need. I export the output and then use it in a simple material here. And to test, put it on a decal. And there you have it, your very own blood splatter made with Unreal. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.